Hello, good afternoon everyone from Wodonga. This is my Thursday trip down, and where I'm walking here, this is known as Junction Place. Where I'm walking, used to be the former Wodonga Railway line. And I'm actually walking on the tracks. Now, if you're wondering about the tracks themselves, were they removed? The answer is no, as they were buried under this concrete here. Now, up here on the left is the former railway station, and on the right is the goods shed, and these were turned into restaurants and cafes. Isn't that cute? Their little shelters there resembles clotheslines, rotary clotheslines. People having lunch here. I might get into the shade so it's much easier to see. Sorry about the music, I might get a copyright claim on that one. It can't be helped. As you can see, this used to be one platform here, one track here, and there's the other track used to be over there. You've got the you can go in there, yes you can. The barrier there to stop the people riding their bikes up here. I don't know what this is here. Station display suite. Okay. That's a real estate. Now, there's only one way to go up there, isn't it? Oh, I'll go up here. Now I have to go up here. Climb these steps. The tracks here, they're not standard, they're broad gauge. And that all changed until 2010 when it was converted to standard gauge. As you can see, they've done a real good job of it. This is all going to be old park, I think, in over here. That's just going to be all units. Well, actually, I will post where, if you're wondering where the new station is, it's about 3 kilometres outside of Wodonga. North, that is. Northwest. There's something I want to show you. Right. Can you find it? Ah, here we are. I mean, this is it. Down here. Actually, this is the best time to do a roam around or walk around. Just roaming around or walking around, same thing. And if I go down here, this is the history. I can't see. I don't know if you. No, I'll just hover it to there, here, so you can hear. So you can read the history. It's about the Australian light horse, Wodonga district. Soldiers of the King. Oh, well, you're frozen enough. So, oh, it's down here. No, I have to walk right down here. Hang on, I'll walk right down here. The water tower. Now, if I go to Albury next time, I will show you in the museum if it's open, because it's closed at the moment due to new exhibits they're putting down here, putting in the museum. The sculpture of the horse. Over there is Wodonga Place. That's got Woolworths and shops and all that. It's not actually a mall, it's just opened up. All the cars here. This area here is known as Elgin Boulevard. If I zoom in before he goes, there's a bus goes to Corryong. It's just a minibus. I was going to show. Oh, okay, they moved now. So I was going to show you something here. I'll just move my camera. Yep. I just want to show you something here. Something you may find interesting. I'll just go. The old pump tap by now. Right, it's open. And it will continue. So it will come down here. Oh, it's already wet down here. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. It's coming down here. Keep going. Now, if I reach down here, oh, I have to be careful because it's very steep here. If I reach down here and pull it up, oh, there it is. There it goes. It should come down here somewhere. No, I can't see it. I must have run out of. Must have run out of oh, I can't see it. Ooh. I've probably got stuck under the little walkway there. Now, if I walk around here, this is where you turn it. There you go. Well, there's not much water. Oh, there you go. Had to give it a few good turns. Now, this is supposed to turn. I don't know what's happened here. I think that's supposed to turn. Yes, it is. It's supposed to turn. Hang on. I might just one of these cups. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, that's supposed to turn the that wheel. Got little cups in that. But yeah, as you can see, blue sky, nice day. Around about 12 degrees, I think it is. I know New South Wales is coppering a lot of rain up there, so it's all fine down here. So that's part of Wodonga I'm showing you. There you go, and I will see you some other time. But in the meantime, like, subscribe, and comment. And nice to see some views on here too. Okay then, bye for now.